In this video, we will be discussing the Rule of 72, also known as the Rule of Compound Interest, which was discovered by Albert Einstein. You can use this rule to calculate the growth of your investments. It can also be used to tell you how long it will take for your money to double. To find out how long it will take for your money to double, you would divide 72 by the rate of growth. Let's say the rate of growth is 8%. So to find out how long it will take for your money to double, you would divide 72 by 8. So at 8%, you will double your money every 9 years. To show you the power of the Rule of 72, let's look at a $10,000 investment with an 8% rate of growth. If you invested $10,000 when you were 18 years old and kept it invested until you were 65, it will grow to an incredible $320,000. You can use the same rule to calculate how long it will take for your debt to double. If you carry credit card debt at 18%, your debt will double every 4 years if you only make the minimum payments. Your savings account, on the other hand, grows at a rate on average of less than 1% each year. This means it will take more than 72 years for your money to double. Learn to make this rule work for you, and you'll stand a much better chance of achieving your financial goals.